Hi friend, great morning. Marian Santos here, potentials.com, signing at our channel. So today yung ating devotional or ni Pastor Rick Warren, Daily Hope is, where is Jesus in your storm? Yun ang question niya. So sabi niya, I want to tell you something today that will fill you with hope. Because right now, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. When we look at the world around us, there's so much unrest and uncertainty. Life can be like a storm. Waves crashing, withholding, no calm in sight. So, syempre, when it's a strong storm, we are afraid. Parang, we are anxious, we do not know what to do, where to go, diba? So, parang ganun na. Jesus comes to His people in their storm. So, yung title, diba? Where is Jesus in your storm? So, diba, in Mark 6, there was a storm. Yung mga apostles was in a storm. Si Jesus naman, He went to the mountainside to pray. So, nung makita niya yung apostles niya undergoing this ordeal of being in the storm, what did Jesus do, diba? He walked out to them on the water. So, He came to His people in their storm. So, parang, He went to the apostle to give them, to calm them and give them hope, give them encouragement while they are undergoing this big storm. So parang He made them feel He is there, He is with them throughout this storm. So sabi niya, take courage, it is I, don't be afraid. Then He climbed into the boat with them, and the wind died down. So that's from Mark 6, verse 50 to 51. So friend, ikaw, na-experience mo ba during your storm, Jesus came to you and calm you and made you relax and naalis yung anxiety mo? Sabi niya, no matter how big the storm, Jesus is coming to you. So the big waves of fears, on the very waves your fears most, He gets into the boat with you and calms the storm. So, friend, yun yung siguro thing that we have to remember. The Lord is there to be with us during the storms in our life, diba? It may be difficult, but yun nga, sabi niya, He is with us. He will not forsake us. He will be with us during the storms in our life. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.